Antilia Mumbai, India. Welcome to the world of Antilia, a mansion that takes luxury to a whole new level. Located in the heart of Mumbai, India, this 27-story skyscraper isn't just a house, it's an entire lifestyle built on opulence. Owned by Mukesh Ambani, one of the wealthiest men in the world, Antilia spans an incredible 400,000 square feet of living space, making it one of the most extravagant private residences on the planet. But what makes it so extraordinary? Well, first off, it's not your average mansion. Imagine stepping into a building that defies every traditional notion of what a home should be. It's more like a vertical city. Picture this. Antilia is equipped with a whopping 3 helipads on its rooftop. Yes, you heard that right. It's designed to accommodate private helicopters. And the views from up there? Absolutely breathtaking. But that's just the beginning. The interior is nothing short of jaw-dropping. The mansion boasts 9 high-speed elevators to ensure seamless movement between its 27 floors. And forget the usual rooms you might expect in a luxury home. There's a ballroom that can host grand events, multiple swimming pools, a health center, and even a snow room where artificial snow is created for that cool winter vibe. Mumbai's tropical heat never stood a chance here. Every corner of Antilia is meticulously designed with both modern luxury and traditional Indian architecture, combining styles that resonate with wealth and prosperity. It's a true testament to what's possible when you merge extravagance with vision. From its lavish interiors to its eco-friendly features like a multi-story garden, this mansion is not just about splendor, it's a statement. Would you ever dream of living in a place like this? What would it be like to wake up in a home that feels like its own city? Imagine the luxury, the scale, the absolute wow factor.